Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud is not working on your JBL EPIC LAB. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and now these earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so then remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. After that you check it and maybe it fixes your problem. Also, you don't want to reconnect automatically, you can click on it just at the device list. And we have connection. So you check it. If it didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So you put your earbuds to the charging case and then quick tap 7 times on one of your earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this LED light should blink 4 times. So I make it bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it's blinking 4 times. Right here, and then you need to tap 7 times on another earbud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see now it's also blinking LED light, so after that you just remove it. And firstly we should remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset this earbuds enter operating mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!